play with a lot of energy. We play with a lot of emotion. That's the way our team goes. We've got up and down the lineup 25 guys who are baseball players who love to compete. But in terms of the crowd, Red and the Towels were out just like last time, and they were loud when they needed to be and loud when they didn't need to be, and that's exactly what you want out of a good home crowd.
You